Retinoblastoma and p53 are tumor suppressor genes. Their inactivation lead to the cancer, and that's why tumor suppressor genes prevent cancer. When the retinoblastoma gene is deleted or mutated, in that case the retinoblastoma occurs, which is a rare childhood eye tumor, and its transmission may be heritable or inheritable. If a normal cell is fused with the retinoblastoma deficient tumor cell, then the hybrid cell is formed, which is a non-tumor cell. Because the retinoblastoma genes are active, which were present in the normal cell, so retinoblastoma is a dominant gene.